back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. To the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make it a point to subscribe to my channel and then hit on the bell icon to be notified on the latest videos that I upload. So without further delay, let's get started with today's video, guys. So just like any other month, this month also I'm here yet again with yet another haul, and again I have this guest with me who is my daughter Kanika. Say hi, Kanika.
Hi guys.
So yes, she is a usual guest of all my haul videos, and yes, if you know me from my previous videos, during my last haul video, I had told that it's not a haul video because haul means either it's something that you illegally own, or a haul video is basically where a speaker speaks about products that are rare to find. So yes guys, last month was not a haul video because all the products that I showed you guys were from Purplle, so those products were easily available on Purplle. So that's the reason I had told you guys that it's not a haul video. Please ignore this part. Okay, so yes, it's not a haul video, but this time it could be a haul video because few of the products that I got this time are from the local store, so it might be a haul video. So yes guys, without much further blabbering, let's get started with today's video. So yes, the first products I'm going to show you are from the local store, and they are few hairbands for Kanika. So this one is the first hairband. It costed me 40 rupees. So yes, Kanika will be showing them one by one.
Unicorn.
So the next one is this hairband. Guess the price. I just got it for 20 rupees and it's amazing. So the speciality of this is you could change the colors of this. Yes, Kanika, wear and show fast. The next hairband I have is this one.
It's just like a Mickey Mouse.
Yes, it's like a Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
So the third one is this one. It's quite a luxurious look is what it had, and I just like this, especially this flowers. So this costed me 40 rupees only.
It's normal.
So yes, it's very pretty one. And this one is my favorite. It's a very,
Shining too.
yeah, it gives you away sparkles. This one is my favorite. It has a very elegant look. I mean, you
I
could
said this.
just wear it like this also. See, it looks nice. And actually it is Kanika's hairband, so she will be wearing it and showing it to you guys. Even this one I got it just for 30 rupees. Yes, 30 rupees only. And then I got my normal bindis. Then we have Kanika's chain. So yes, this was the next one. Then I got this cute little bangles and clips. This was a set for 20 rupees.
It's like a medical hairband.
Yeah. That was the next thing. And then we have these clips. This costed me just 10 rupees, guys. It was amazing. So yes, those are my purchases from the local store. Yes, in addition to that, I got this beauty blender for 40 rupees again. And it's a very squishy beauty blender. It's not very hard. If you could see that. It's very soft. And I'm sure it would work great. It says Huda Beauty. I'm sure it's not a Huda Beauty product because Huda Beauty wouldn't cost you just 40 rupees. See that? So that is Kanika's bangle. And the next product that I have are these fake nails from the local store again. This costed me 10 rupees for the nail glue as well as the nail. It costed 10 rupees each. You have 12 nails in it. So yes, this is the next product. Then again,
Now this and clips and bangles.
the next product that I have is from Purple. This is a beauty blender.
And a unicorn hair.
So yes guys, Kanika says that she loves her unicorn hairband as well. The next product I have is this beauty blender again. It was called the AY Cut Shape Beauty Blender. I got it from purple.com and this costed me 125 rupees. Actual cost of this was told to be 250 rupees and on 50% discount I got this. This is much squishier than this one. Of course there is a lot of price difference, no way to compare them both, but yes, it's very squishy and very nice, very soft. And the next product that I have is this one. This is the NYBay Illuminator in the shade Governor's Kingdom Lightning number 2. So let me show you the shade. This is a illuminator guys. I have applied a illuminator. Let me apply it on Kanika. Look at that guys. It's not at all chunky. It's very nice. It gives, it does the job of both the...
smell is very good.
It smells really great as what she's telling. This is the shade guys. I don't know, I just have a feeling that you can use it as a lipstick as well. Not sure, let's see. And it is not very chunky and I liked it. I quite liked it actually. The next product I have here is this oil. I'm just trying out different hair oils as of now. I just bought castor oil from Good Vibes, so I quite liked it. So I'm just trying out this onion hair oil from Good Vibes again. This is a little pricey I would say, because for 200 ml it costs you 435 rupees, which is more on the upper side. The next product I have is the DIY powders, I could say from As Goodness. This one is a Upton face powder. Upton powder, and this is a Tulsi powder. I have a lot of breakouts if you could see, and I've heard that mixing neem and Tulsi really helps. So that's the reason I have bought these two. Let me try and I will get back to you with the DIY if it really worked for me. So stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me guys. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My handle is Swati Lovely Life Official. I will just provide the handle in the description box. The next product that I have is the DermDoc Anti-Acne Face Wash. This is how the box looks like. And this was priced at 245 rupees for 120 ml. And for this one is quite on the pricier side, but I have been trying the anti-acne range from DermDoc and it's quite worked for me, I could say. So that's the reason I just wanted to try the face wash as well, because right now I'm using Mamaearth Tea Tree face wash. It's about to finish off, so I'm just going to try this as well. The next products that I got is a repurchase. I have shared the review of these products on my channel. You can find the videos. This is the Himalaya Anti-Hair Fall Cream. I bought 2 tubs of this. I mean, I could get this. I can use 1 tub for 2 times, and they were giving it on a discount if you buy 2 products from Himalaya. So I just bought 2 for 100 rupees. That is 50 rupees each. Otherwise it would cost you 80 rupees each, which was a great deal. So I thought anyways I need 2 of it, so why not buy 2 of it. So yes, these 2. The next product that I have is again a repurchase, and these are from DermDoc again. One is the anti-acne face gel, and the other one is the damage recovery night cream with kojic acid. This one I use it as a night cream. And stay tuned, after this video I'm going to upload my anti-acne or after makeup acne skincare routine on this channel itself. So stay tuned guys for the video. You will get it. Just shooting and the power just went off. Me and Kanika were waiting for the power to get back, and finally the power is back. And yes, the next product that I have to show you guys is this one. This is a Good Vibes Plus Aloe Vera Vitamin E Anti-Acne and Anti-Fatigue Night Lotion with Hyaluronic Acid. This is paraben free and cruelty free. Especially recently my life has been revolving around acne guys, so that's the reason I bought this. The smell of this is quite strong, I must tell you. I like smells. I have been repeatedly telling you guys I like smell in my beauty products. This has a very strong smell, like some deodorant I could say. So yeah, if you want to buy, just think before you buy this based on if you like smells or no. So that was the next product. The next product is yet again another very affordable product, which is this one. This is a Blue Heaven lip balm bubble gum, lip balm in the flavor bubble gum. I just love this packaging and the price. The actual price is 85 rupees. I got it for 55 rupees, and it looks very cute. Like, look at the packaging. I have the similar kind of product, and that is from Purple, but the price of the Purple lip balm is quite on the higher side, and this is very affordable. Like, what you could buy at least 4 of these in the price what I paid for the, you know, Purple lip balm. So this is how the product is. It smells so great guys. You know, you used to get the bubble gum, I don't remember which was that, Big Bubble, yeah, Big Bubble bubble gum when we were kids. It's what we used to get. This is in the similar smell. I just damaged it. I just broke it. That's the problem with these lip balms. You have to be very careful while handling it. Now it goes back to where it came from. And the next product that I have here is a blush. This is again from Blue Heaven guys. Blue Heaven is one of those Indian brands which has their product like so cheap and so affordable that I just love to get Blue Heaven products. So yes, this is a blush in the shade 504. Actually I thought that this is a pinkish color. You get an applicator like this, and it has a cover as well. I thought it is a pinkish shade, but I got a purple shade. I'm not so happy with that. See that? I don't know. Kanika, I'll just apply it on her because I have already applied a blush. So yes, it's kind of okay. I'm not a great fan of this shade, I must say. So yes, I'm not so impressed. Actually, I was expecting to get something else. That's the problem with online shopping, just like I always tell you guys. So the next product that I have is this Purple Power Couple 2-in-1 bronzer, which is the most trending product so on the internet these days, on YouTube especially. So I thought, why not, let me also give it a try. So this is quite on the more expensive side. This one costs 449 rupees, but I got a 35 to 40% discount when I bought it. So you calculate for how much I got it. I remember only the discount percent. I don't remember the actual price. This is how it is. I don't know. I like the highlighter, but I don't think so. The bronzer shade actually matches my skin tone. So yes, this is how they look. So this is is a highlighter shade and this is a bronzer shade. So yes, that's the next product we have here. And after this, yeah, one more product is this. Yet again, one of the most hyped products in the internet. Like since a very long, I was like, I'm not going to buy this, but finally I gave in. And you know, right, this online shopping is an addiction, guys, trust me. So you get a dropper like this, and I just bought 10 ml. I thought let me first try it before I actually buy it. So yes, this is the 10 ml bottle that I got, and this was costed me 215 rupees, but yet again I got 35% discount on this. So somewhere around, I guess 100 change, I don't remember, 165 or something I must have paid for this. And the last two products, guys, I'm posting Purple haul from a very long time. You guys must be knowing, I think it's almost 3 months I have already posted, and this is the 4th month. So because in Purple, if you are an Elite member, you get gifts every time you reach a certain milestone. When I reached my first milestone of 2500 rupees purchase, I got a tea tree mask free, Good Vibes tea tree mask free. So this time I had reached the 7000 milestone, for which I got 2 products free, which is worth almost 700 rupees. So the first product that I got is this Alex Goodness Vitamin A Antioxidant Facial Kit. This has 3 packets. I mean, you can do 3 facials in it, and it is good for vitamin A. Is nothing but retinol. Retinol is a form of vitamin A. So it's good. It has good anti-aging properties, as well as it is good for acne treatment. So this is a free product. I did not get to choose it. They chose it for me. And this one is actually worth how much is it? 390 rupees. So that's the next product. And my final product, this is also something I got free. It is the NYB liquid lipstick in the Runway range, and this is the shade number 8, Coney Island Vibrant Style. This is the shade, guys. That is what it shows, but website showed a bright red. I did not get to choose a shade as well, but yeah, this is a sort of brownish shade. See that is the shade actually. So yes, this is the shade. It is a very brownish shade. Actually, I have never tried brown lipstick, so I don't know. Let's see how it looks. Website will, I mean, I had no expectation. Anyways, it's a free product. The actual product price of this product is 275 rupees, and this is 390 rupees. And I got these 2 products for free. So no complaints. Free product is free product, something you get extra without paying, right? So yes guys, that's it for today's video. And just like I have been telling you in all my videos, subscribe to my channel. This is another giveaway series of reaching 1000 subscribers. So if you haven't participated yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and comment on this video hashtag participating, so that I will know that you are participating. I can also check if you are following me on Instagram, and the ones who have done all this process are eligible to win a giveaway when I reach 1000 subscribers. So yes, when I reach 1000 subscribers, I will definitely announce a giveaway where 10 most interactable viewers of my channel will be getting this prize. So this giveaway. So I'm just thinking of giving I don't know, let's see how it goes and what happens when I reach 1000 subscribers because I just have 8 months to reach 1000 subscribers, otherwise my channel will be deleted. So yeah, just let your family, friends, anyone, any stranger also know about this channel and ask them to subscribe so that my channel reaches the goal. That's it for today guys. Until my next video, take care, and before that don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, like, share and subscribe to my video, follow me on Instagram. So that's all I had to say for today. Until my next video, take care, bye bye, love you all.